Hi guys, namaste. Welcome to Nine Mentions. Before getting into the video, do hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. Thank you so much. Hope you all are doing fine. Okay, it's very cold. Okay, so today I have with me, I'll show you. Yeah, this is the Olena plant-based supplement, and this is actually a collagen booster, and this is for women. So before getting into the details of this product, let's know a little about collagen कि ये होता क्या है and ये कहाँ पाया जाता है और ये decrease होने से क्या होता है. Collagen is a kind of protein which is found in our body and हमारे body का 1/3 हिस्सा collagen ही होता है. Basically ये हमारे this kind of binds our bones, our ligaments, our muscles together and also our blood vessels. तो this is very important for our body. But over the time what happens is as we start aging, or aging भी छोड़ो, due to the sun exposure or due to many our bad eating habits, what happens is our collagen starts decreasing. पहला signal we get when our collagen is decreasing is our skin starts sagging. We start getting wrinkles, and this is what we generally call as premature aging. कि हमें फाइन लाइंस दिखने लगती हैं आँखों के नीचे, एंड ऑल्सो हमें नेक पे लाइंस दिखने लग जाती हैं. दैट शोज़ दैट आपकी बॉडी में कोलेजन की कमी है. तो यू नीड समथिंग टू रिप्लेनिश दैट. यू नीड अ सप्लीमेंट टू कीप दैट कोलेजन लेवल मेंटेन्ड. सो हेयर कम्स दिस इज़ द ओलिना प्लांट बेस्ड सप्लीमेंट, एंड मैं इसको कंज्यूम कर रही हूँ. मुझे इसे कंज्यूम करके ज़्यादा दिन नहीं हुए हैं. इट्स नॉट बीन अ लॉन्ग टाइम, एंड आई कैन सी अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस. इफ़ यू कैन सी ओवर हेयर under my eye, there the lines have quite reduced, if you can see clearly, and also I have not applied any makeup, and the pigmentation is fading a little धीरे धीरे. दो मेरे को इसको लेते हुए ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं हुआ है, so still you can see the effect. Okay, and also neck पे भी lines have reduced a lot, as you can see. And if there are lines on our neck, वो हमारी एज दिखाता है. So always take care of your neck. So now let's get into this product details. So first of all, this retails for 999. This retails for 1000 rupees, and this comes like this. Yeah. तो इसमें, and also this has this leaflet which will give you the entire information on how you have to consume this and what all this has. तो बेसिकली दिस इज़ अ सप्लीमेंट जो कि आपकी बॉडी को, दिस विल इंक्रीज योर ब्यूटी एंड ऑल्सो दिस विल इंक्रीज योर हेल्थ, एंड ऑल्सो दिस विल मेक योर फेस वेरी रेडियंट. आई कॉन्ट वेट टू फिनिश दिस एंटायर बॉटल so that then you won't even be able to recognize me. I'll be that beautiful, I guess. Okay, this has hyaluronic acid, and yes, hyaluronic acid can be consumed, though abhi tak we have just applied this as a serum on face, but in this you can actually consume this and see the magical benefits of consuming hyaluronic acid. This also has 600 mcg of retinol. Retinol is also applied on skin topically, जो आपके अंडर आई सर्कल्स को, अंडर आई फाइन लाइंस को रिड्यूस करता है. तो इसमें you will get an opportunity to consume retinol as well, which is kind of, you can consume retinol, no issues. Okay, so this has biotin as well, and biotin helps in growing our nails and hair. हेयर ग्रोथ में बायोटीन बहुत हेल्प करता है. एंड दिस इज़ अ वाटरमेलन फ्लेवर. दिस हैज़ 2 more flavors, which is rose and I think lemon burst. And by adding such flavors, automatically you feel like consuming this thing because this is very tasty to drink. In a nutshell, if I have to tell you the benefits of consuming this powder, that is that first of all, this increases the collagen in your body. Secondly, it promotes shiny hair and shiny skin, rejuvenates your skin, this hydrates your skin, this restores your skin's elasticity. Your skin will look very bouncy and very supple. Obviously reduced wrinkles, and also the texture of your hair and skin will change dramatically. And I'm here only in my upcoming videos, you'll definitely see a change in my skin texture and my hair texture once I start consuming this on a regular daily basis. Yeah. Okay, so this is like a powder, if you can see, and this smells like watermelon. Like, it has biotin, and also this has amino acids. Amino acids are the building blocks of collagen production. I'm amazed to know that this also has sea buckthorn oil. I used to apply a face pack that had sea buckthorn oil, and now this has sea buckthorn oil, so I am amazed. Okay, So how you have to take it, you have to drink, you have to drink 1 glass per day, and you have to take 200 ml of cold water. This is water is cold. You have to take 200 ml of cold water, and you have to take 1 scoop, stir it, and then consume it. Yeah. So I'll just take 1 scoop. This is 1 scoop, right? Yeah. And I'll just mix it. And also, if you are consuming something, it is quite evident that the results will be a little slow, but the results will be there for sure. Yeah. So this smells like watermelon, no doubt regarding that. Okay, so let's cheers. Exactly tastes like watermelon. Yeah. So also this says one thing: no dairy products, no soya, no gluten, no artificial flavors, and no added sugar. Even women who have diabetes can take this because this is not having sugar. And this has this chart which will show like what will happen if you consume it for 30 days. If you consume it for 30 days, body metabolism shifts due to increased collagen and reduced inflammation in joints. If you take it for 45 days, what happens is you will see plumper and hydrated skin along with accelerated growth for hair and nails. If you consume it for 60 days, daily, and 60 days, your overall skin feels tighter and reduction in fine lines and spots. If you consume it for continuously 90 days, your body starts functioning at an optimal level for that youthful skin that shines from within. Okay, and then after 90 days, you just make it a practice to drink 1 glass daily. It's not a lot, it's just for 1,000 rupees. And as far as the taste is concerned, this tastes good, this tastes nice, no problem. And also it will be better if you can mix this in a shaker. I'm not having a shaker at the moment, so this will be dissolved completely because I think stirring is not properly dissolving the powder. Tastes very good. I'll put the link in the description box just in case you want to buy this. And I think this is a great buy if you are looking for something to invest in your skin in the long run. If you want your skin to look good and beautiful and plump, I think this will be the best option for you. And do check the description box. I'll put the detail of this product in an elaborate way, just in case if I've missed to say something. I'll cover it up in the description box, so don't forget to check the description box. Yeah. So I guess I'll see you guys next time with some another product. Until then, you guys please take care, and I love you all.